Welcome back to Q Rides, your home for the latest car reviews, futuristic concepts, and all things automotive. If you're passionate about smart, affordable, and reliable vehicles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on your next possible ride. Now let's dive into one of Honda's most practical and budget-friendly crossovers, the 2026 Honda HR-V. This little SUV is making waves with its smart updates, refined styling, and promises of even better technology and comfort for the new model year. Originally introduced in 2016, the HR-V quickly became a go-to option for urban drivers and small families looking for a compact SUV that doesn't break the bank. Then in 2023, Honda gave it a full redesign, pushing it into its second generation with more maturity, more space, and better features. And now, in 2026, it's going a step further. Built on the same platform as the fan-favorite Honda Civic, the HR-V blends sedan-like smoothness with SUV practicality. For those who want a daily driver that's easy to park, great on gas, and still offers SUV flexibility, the HR-V delivers big time. So what's new for 2026? Well, Honda has sharpened the styling just a bit. Think cleaner lines, sleeker headlights, and a sportier stance that gives the HR-V a more confident look. It's still unmistakably a Honda. Reliable, understated, and solid. But now it's got just enough edge to turn heads in the parking lot. Under the hood, things remain familiar. The 2026 HR-V carries over the trusted 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 158 horsepower and 138 feet of torque. It's not a rocket ship, but it's smooth, efficient, and perfect for everyday driving. Mated to a CVT, continuously variable transmission, the ride feels fluid and relaxed whether you're commuting or running errands. You'll get front-wheel drive as standard, but for those in snowy or rainy regions, all-wheel drive is also available. And yes, it makes a difference. In tests by Motor Trend, the AWD model hit 0 to 60 mph in about 9.8 seconds. Not thrilling, but certainly respectable for a subcompact SUV focused on reliability and value. And speaking of value, fuel economy is one of the HR-V's strongest selling points. With front-wheel drive, you can expect around 26 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. The all-wheel drive version takes a minor dip, offering around 25 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, which still keeps it among the more fuel-efficient crossovers in this price range. But here's where it gets interesting. Rumors have been heating up about a hybrid version of the HR-V. Since Honda already released a hybrid Civic, and considering the HR-V shares that same platform, it makes a ton of sense. While no official confirmation has come from Honda just yet, many industry insiders expect we could see a hybrid HR-V either this year or very soon after. If it happens, expect even better fuel economy, quicker acceleration, and more reasons for eco-conscious buyers to make the switch. Now let's talk safety, a category where the HR-V continues to shine. The 2025 model earned top marks, scoring a top safety pick plus from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, I2HS, and a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. That's the highest possible from both agencies, and the 2026 HR-V is expected to carry that legacy forward with no compromise. Every HR-V model comes equipped with Honda Sensing, Honda's impressive suite of safety and driver assistance features. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, traffic sign recognition. Step up to the higher trims, and you'll also get blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, which make navigating tight parking lots and busy highways much easier and safer. Inside, the 2026 HR-V is just as thoughtful. The cabin feels modern and well laid out, with good materials, a clean dashboard, and user-friendly tech. You won't find ultra-luxury here, but it feels far more refined than its price tag would suggest. There's ample space for small families, with decent cargo room and rear seats that fold flat for versatility. The infotainment system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course, and the available digital driver display and larger touchscreen make it feel more high-tech than ever before. In short, the 2026 Honda HR-V might not scream excitement, but it whispers confidence. It's not trying to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on what matters most: reliability, safety, efficiency, and value. And with possible electrification on the horizon, Honda may just turn this quiet achiever into a segment leader. So if you're in the market for a subcompact SUV that's smart, safe, and ready for whatever life throws at you, the 2026 HR-V deserves a serious look. Let us know in the comments. Would you wait for a hybrid version or go with the gas model now? What's more important to you, style, tech, or fuel efficiency? Thanks for watching Ride. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and tap the notification bell so you're the first to know when the next video drops. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.